traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 7th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the US dollar yen, I still think this is very likely either an ABC correction to this move up, which would look like this and then turn back up like that, or this is possibly really the end of a wave 5 right here, which means instead of being an ABC, it would be a 1, 2, 3 and stretch out like this, and most likely take out the low of wave 4. Now notice it's exactly the same trade move or exactly the same movement until we get to about this point right here, which is why I don't really care whether it's an ABC or a 1, 2, 3 at this point. Going down to the weekly, I have it labeled as an ABC, but it definitely could be a 1, 2, 3. We are definitely watching our Fibonacci levels very closely for a possible turn to the downside for this wave C or this wave 3. Let's keep going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think it's extremely clear that this is an A, and this seems like a really good example of a possible expanding flat. 1, 2, 3 waves up A, 1, 2, 3 waves down B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up C. I think we may be getting very close. Maybe it needs to pop up one more time just to grab these fib levels, but it seems like we're getting very close to a turn to the downside for that possible downtrend for the bigger wave C, or possibly it's a 1, 2, 3. Anyways, let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, definitely still in an uptrend, and just because it looks like it could go down and break struts, it definitely doesn't mean that it's going to. It could easily just continue the higher time frame uptrend, which is why I would continue to look for longs until we do get that break to the downside. Taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. Now we do have FOMC interest rate coming out for the U.S. today, which they do plan on lowering interest rates by 25 basis points. I will be live streaming on YouTube for that news event at 6:45 UK time or GMT +1. So definitely make sure you stop in for that. As of right now, I just got my Fibonacci retracement on this move up right here because, like I said, this could just be a correction to the last wave up. It possibly could just make 3 waves down to a fib level and just continue the uptrend. Until we actually break this structure down here, we can't say that the uptrend is over, and there's really a chance that the uptrend could continue. I personally think that with the big news coming out that we probably will get this breaker structure to the downside maybe today or in the next couple of days. But just because that's what we think doesn't mean that's what's going to happen. It could make 3 waves down to one of these fib levels to continue the higher time frame uptrend very easily. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked out here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.